Your business processes are perfect, or could you improve them? In an ever-changing world, nothing stays perfect for long. To stay ahead of your game, you need to be able to refine your processes on an ongoing basis so that your services remain efficient and your customers stay happy. A simple quality improvement tool that helps you improve your business processes, and it is called the Focus Model. The Focus Model was created by the Hospital Corporation of America, and it is a structured approach to a total quality management, and it is widely used in the healthcare industry. This model is helpful to use a team-based approach problem solving and to business process improvement, and it makes it particularly useful for solving cross-departmental process issues. The Focus Model has 5 steps. 1. Find a problem. Organize a team for it, clarify what the problem is, then understand what the problem is, and lastly, select a solution for it. Find the problem. Our research says 80% of your issues come from the 20% of your problems. Therefore, identifying and solving one real problem can significantly improve your business if you find the right problem to solve. 2. Organize the team. Select team members who are familiar with the issue or process in hand. Enthusiasm for the project will be great if people volunteer for it. So emphasize how individuals will benefit from getting involved. Number 3, clarifying what the problem is. Clarifying the problem is the key part of the Focus Model. You may intend to focus on a giant-sized problem, but the key to success is to break it down into small sizes that could be analyzed and solved more easily. Write down the details in the problem statement, which will serve as an important part of the exercise. Focus on factual events and measurable conditions, such as who does the problem affect, what happened, where is it happening, and when did it happen. The problem statement must be objective, so avoid relying on personal opinions and emotions. Number 4, understanding the problem. Once the problem statement is completed, gather all the data about the problem to understand it completely. Dedicate plenty of time to this stage, as this is where you will identify the fundamental steps in the process. When it is fixed, it will bring the improvement that you're looking for. Important. As you develop your understanding, potential solutions to the problem may become obvious. Be aware of jumping to obvious conclusions. These could overlook important parts of the problem, and it could create a whole new process that fails to solve the problem. Number 5. Select a solution. Use appropriate decision-making tools to select most viable option. Once you choose an idea, use your tools to think about the possible outcomes of moving ahead and decide whether you should run the project or not. Here's an example of how we can apply the Focus Model. ERD Metal is an aluminum manufacturing plant that produces semi-finished goods and ships nationwide. The problem: everyone involved, from the shipping department to its heights management, they are stressed, complaining about the late loads and overtime. Operation efficiency, employee overwhelm, shipping delays, overtime, issues between employees, and upset management. To summarize, there are delays in deliveries, management gets upset, puts everyone to do overtime last minute. Everyone is upset, some rejects to stay late. Director manager gathers a meeting, puts everyone to work again. Schedule gets tight. That's a problem. Number 2, organize a team. In this case, we involve everyone related to this process to get the diversity we want, from shipping operator to the director manager. 3, clarify the problem. Meetings were scheduled. Managing director takes the lead 90% of the time, gives out the tasks, everyone leaves, and it repeats the next day. Employee frustration persists. Number 4, understand the problem. Talk with every team member individually and have a conversation as a whole group. Listen to every individual and give a chance to speak out to every single person about how our performance can be improved. As a result, everyone wanted to get the job done, but no one knew what the other will do, not the next day, in the next hour. There was a clear information flow problem between the departments. Because it was never brought up in the meetings, no one knew it ever existed. Number 5. As a solution, we implemented a brief 15-minute meetings between cross departments to share what their calendar looks like for the rest of the week, so everybody plans accordingly. And also, we created a digital calendar where everybody can share and see each other's calendars. As a result, in 2 weeks, overtime rate went down almost to none, and stress level was gone. This might be a usual process for people who are in corporate companies. Communication is still a common problem to be solved. Boom, I got my problem solved. Good luck with yours.